So in this short video, I'll teach you two things. One is how to download your course material here. The new way to download your course material, it will always be updated course materials. That's why it's important you do it from here too. And the other one is how to know your fees for next semester, your courses and your fees for next semester, registerable courses. Okay, so you go for, let's start with course materials. To download your course materials from here, after registration, you can only do that after registration for both exams and courses. So you go to registration menu, then scroll down to registration slips. You click on that, then it will bring you here. You click on the exams tab. You can see there's a registered courses tab, exams and projects. You go to exams tab. In that exams tab, you can see download here under materials for each course. You have part 301. You click on this download and the material will come into your device, whether phone or computer, anyone. The material will be downloaded immediately, no further processes. If you download this, you click on this, click on download all your materials. It's as easy as that. Okay, the next one is how would you know your courses for next semester? You can see that this person is in 300 level, public administration, now second semester. So how would he know his courses for next semester, 400 level first semester? Then you go back to registration, course registration. Now when this opens up, you scroll down and choose the next level. For him, next level is 400 level. You choose 400. Submit. Proceed. You go to proceed. The courses, look at that. Registerable courses level 400 for him. He will have to register this as an elective course. Look at the status E. And these ones as core courses. These are for first semester. You can see first semester 111 represent first semester. 2 now represent second semester. You will never be given excess courses. You will never be given more than you could carry per semester. And these are the amounts to pay. Copy them into anywhere. That's the way to save it. Also, take a screenshot. You scroll down, take another screenshot. That's it. You can copy, if you are using a computer or a phone, you can copy and paste. Remember the fees should be there, or at least the units will also tell you what the fees are made automatically. So that's it. If you want to print immediately, you can also do it. You can see that if you are printing, it will still hide some courses. First semester is covered, but second semester for that 400 level is not visible. You can see there's only one course, 2, that is appearing. That's why it's important you make careful checking before you save or do anything with computers. So that's it. It's as simple as that. After registering for a semester, go back, choose registerable courses, and then you'll be able to check the courses for the next level and the fees as well. That's how this thing works. You don't need to be asking on WhatsApp group, Telegram group, the same question all over. Every semester you're asking the same question. It's shameful.